So check this out. A longtime fan of our channel, Mr. Kuang, just sent over his old-school Toyota Land Cruiser. He's been driving it for over 10 years. This thing has clocked over 540,000 kilometers. That's like 330,000 miles. He saw our resto videos and said, yeah, but you guys are the real deal. So he had it towed to our shop and gave us a mission. Bring this beast back to life. Full restoration, street ready, no shortcuts, just the way we like it. So let's get to it. First up, tear down time. We're stripping everything out. Body off the frame, shell separated, every bolt exposed. Cut to undercarriage covered in mud. The underbody, a complete disaster. It's got dirt packed in everywhere. Even the frame rails are clogged up. And no wonder he was getting 20 liters per 100 kilometers fuel consumption. Even the suspension bushings totally messed up. Someone swapped the third mount with a placeholder part. No wonder the ride felt off. First order of business, deep clean. Let's blast the mud out and see if we can shave off a few liters on that fuel burn. Engine bay shot, removing engine next. We pull the engine, full engine cradle swap. This thing was shaking like crazy. We separate the transmission, and guess what? After 330,000 miles, no oil leaks. Unbelievable. The only thing we spotted, a light coolant leak from the center water channel. That's it. Inside the engine, super clean. Hardly any sludge. And even the pistons, no carbon buildup. Bro, I swear this guy doesn't drive. He must just polish it and go to karaoke bars. Close up on engine components. Valve lifters look fine. Main issue, stuck piston rings causing oil burn. That's not tragic, I'm just mechanical fatigue. We flush the whole system with ultrasonic cleaner, then move on to the chassis. The carriage work begins. We're replacing every single component on the suspension, all OEM parts, up front, total nightmare. Bushings are cracked everywhere, not surprising after all these years and miles. Random bolts from who knows where. We toss them. Replaced everything with original factory hardware. Even the shocks completely blown. We brought in a special tool just to get the top mounts off. Top bushings cracked to pieces. Final frame before next episode tease. We're just halfway through this beast, but man, the bones are solid. The guy really took care of it, at least on the inside. Ha ha. Next up, more chassis refresh, paint work, and of course, that engine rebuild. You won't believe what we found inside the timing cover. But hey, that's for the next video. Don't go anywhere. Hit that like button if you're rooting for this Land Cruiser to roar again. Car on fire. Scene, oil pan, nasty sludge inside. All right, this oil, completely gone bad. It's thick, it's dark, it smells like burnt soup. We flushed the entire system clean, no mercy. Shot of rusty engine mounts. Next up, the rusted engine mounts. These things look like they've been pulled out of the Titanic. We reinforced them, treated all the rust, and gave them a good coat of anti-corrosion primer. They're solid now, ready for another decade. Excited voice, upbeat music. And guess what? The engine is finally out of the pot. All prep work done, cleaned, checked, remachined. It's time for the most satisfying part. One man, one engine, let's build. We're rebuilding this motor from scratch. Pistons, crankshaft, gaskets, torque specs. Everything by the book. We're not just throwing parts in, we're restoring the original factory power. Scene, tightening final bolt. And just like that, engine assembly complete. Smooth as butter. I swear, when we crank it up, it's gonna sound like it just rolled out of the showroom. New location, interior shots. Now let's tackle the bodywork. First step, deep clean the interior. The floor was caked in years of mud. We're talking dry dirt in the air vents, under the seats, behind the dash. We vacuumed, pressure washed, and scrubbed every inch of it. Feels like we just gave the old boy a spa day. The camera smiling. Bit by bit, it's coming together. Next up, paint prep, chassis coating, and that first engine fire up you don't want to miss. Smash that subscribe button. We're about to make this beast roar again. Wrench fire. Seen garage crew prepping with gloves and brushes. All right, Time for the full body spa treatment. We're cleaning every inch of this car, inside, outside, underneath, no more grime, no more grease. And yeah, we're doing full soundproofing while we're at it. Let's make this ride whisper quiet. Close up, fabric wrapped over panels. All the interior panels, we rewrapped them. Fresh material, clean stitching. Even the plastic trims, we sanded those down and gave them a brand new coat of paint. That diamond pattern texture. Oh yeah, though we polished every groove by hand. Looks fire. Paint booth, car body prepped. Let's talk about paint. We sanded down the entire body, primer coat first, then more sanding. Yeah, we're that picky. Every surface got to be glass smooth. Then we laid down the base color coat, followed by a layer of pearl finish. Not shiny enough, another round of color, more pearl, still not bright enough. Silver metallic clear coat on top. Boom! Just look at that shine. This thing reflects better than my bathroom mirror. The side camera shot. Under the car, full chassis armor coating. We're not playing around. This cruiser's gonna ride through snow, dirt, or a zombie apocalypse if it has to. We replaced all the rubber bushings, sealed it up tight, mated the body back to the chassis, and man, what a fit. Like brand new. Also yanked out a ton of useless wiring. Simplified, clean, and efficient. Light-hearted scene, me leaning back sighing. Alright, time for a little decompress moment. If you're vibing with the build, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm and my blood pressure. Polishing montage, full body polish, all panels buffed to perfection. Glass cleaned, chrome trim, shining. Let's get this baby aligned. Scene, new tires being mounted, four-wheel alignment. Suspension bushings, adjusted specs dialed in to factory perfect new kicks installed. Fresh rubber. This car is done. Soft music fades in. We're closing this chapter with a little soul. This Land Cruiser, it's not just a machine, it's a time capsule. It's been with its owner through roads and memories across miles and years. Now it's back and better than ever. We walked through rust and age, crossed hills of effort and dust, and in the end, what we built isn't just a car, it's a piece of their story. May this ride continue its journey on swides with miles of road and years of love ahead. The camera, thanks for being part of this journey. Drop a comment, tell me what part hit you the hardest. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, we're just getting started. Until next time, stay greasy, stay grateful, wrench heart.